This is a Realme 2 uh, handset, and I am going to unboxing it. Now you see that I am unboxing this. This is a handset I bought today, and you can see this is from Flipkart. I purchased it today, and this is Realme 2. You can see it. This is this is Realme 2, and you can see it. And this is having a rear camera 13 plus 2 megapixel, and front is 8 megapixel, and the screen size is 15.8 centimeter. Its weight is 170 gram, and the battery is of 4230 mAh. It is of 9990, and it's have one. Now I am going to unboxing this charger. You can see it. I am going to unboxing it. You can see it. This is a case cover, back cover. Inside it, additional, you can see this is a case cover for it. Very nice case cover. Inside the box, and you can see this is a handset. Very nice looking, and a double camera with 13 and 2 megapixel. Front is 8 megapixel, and this is here. This is a this you can see it. So very nice looking. Very nice looking. Have a diamond shaped background. This is a sim slot. There is a three sims, two sim and one memory card. There is a three slots, and uh, you can see this is Realme 2, and very nice. Now there is a data cable, one data cable, and one charger. See, this is a, as you know that Realme 2 is a company of oppo, and this is oppo charger with Realme 2. Realme 2 is a part of oppo company, and it's very nice. You can see. Now you can the pin. It's also have a one pin in at the back of this cover. At the back of this cover there is a pin. Pin is here. You you will see this is a pin. At the back of this you have to search a pin for here. Now you can take it. This is a pin. You can see a pin. Now I am very nice. There's a this is a finger touch. Very nice. Very different from other phone. It's have a oval shape, something different. And this is a you can see this. This is a slot, one for memory card and two for nano SIM. Both SIM is having a advanced features that for the both slots of SIM 1 slot and SIM 2 slot having a VoLTE VoLTE 4G, both having a VoLTE slots. There is this is a new advanced feature that both having a 4G VoLTE SIMs slots and additional uh, one additional memory card slot. Very nice. You can see uh, I'm going to opening it. You can see this. कर दो। इसके ऊपर रखना है। Continue with the English. You can see that full notch screen is there. You can see the full notch screen is here. We will skip here. Reason to continue. Okay, I accepted. Skip. Skip. Okay. Continue. Continue. Set as a new Realme phone, and this you can see it. This very nice looking new feature phone having low in it is of 8,990 on a big billion sale in Flipkart. Actually, its price is 9,990, but in that big billion discount, uh, it is 1,000 rupees discount is here. You can see get started, and you can see this is a phone here. See, this is it. This is this is the features here. Everything is here. So you can see this is a phone. Very nice, full screen, additional. This is home button, this is back button, this is no task is here. Okay, thank you. Now I will see the camera. This you can see how very nice camera is this. You can see how nice camera is this. This is very nice camera. You can see it. Now you can see the pic. This see the, you can see how very nice the camera, how its pixel is it. You can see very nicely and very nice.